creative besties, and today, guys, and today we will be doing who has the better slime. We're gonna be doing a slime test. Go ahead and check out the ultimate slime challenge in our
guys, can we tell you something that's super dangerous and you need to do, or else something might happen? You see that subscribe button right there?
If it's red, it's getting ready to explode.
And
you don't click it.
Guys, a kid, we know one of our friends. They found one of the subscribe buttons was red, and they didn't click it, and their tablet broke.
I'm just kidding,
their
guys.
thing broke.
But it will explode.
Yeah.
So guys, don't forget to turn on the post notifications on.
Wait, no,
to become part of the besties
Hey
guys.
Amy took a cute little picture of Janet.
She was trying to get both of us, but so yeah, don't forget to check it out. So we're gonna be doing poke test, stretchiness, swirl, and then bubble.
Bubble is the ultimate one
because bubbles are super fun. We're gonna do rock paper scissors to see who goes first for the poking.
Show you us,
but don't poke them.
Daddy.
Okay, ready?
Daddy.
Don't do it a lot so they don't see stretch. Okay, rock paper scissors. The loser has to go first. Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Lily goes first for poking. Can I go last for bubble?
Wait, hold on. Let me get my bubble.
No, poke.
I mean, not my bubble, but like,
Guys, you guys have to comment down below. Who's best.
yeah, I'm coming closer so I can hear.
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Now you have to. Lily, don't.
I'm gonna take monk.
Okay, now it's stretchy. So Lily, you go first because you were the loser. So you go first.
Mine's
You
still
have
stretching.
to make it into a U shape. Oh my god, your stomach is showing.
Mine's still stretching.
It's falling, guys. I'm trying to pull it down. See, that didn't really count because I pulled it down, but it's still stretched. Okay.
So I think I won that round.
Well, you don't know yet. Look at my. Wait, can you move your slime because it might get a little intense? Oh, still stretching. Still stretching. Guys, it's still stretching. Look at it go. I think it's a tie.
Yeah.
So we should do this. We should say whoever touches the floor first wins, or the table.
No, the last one, because I mean, that was like,
No, because that's stiff.
oh yeah.
Not yet. Have it into a ball. Have it into a ball. Do it at the same height. Like, do it up to here. Measure. Okay. Ready, set, go.
I just on my feet. Hey guys.
Lily's is still going.
Mine's
like
a slow stretcher, but it's still really good.
I love cooking.
Should we also do a challenge?
Okay.
Like, should we do a challenge? Like, if,
Okay,
if there's
now
some other, if we have other glues, should we do a challenge making each other slime?
No. Because I like how I make my slime.
No more pictures.
Guys, today. Now it's the swirl. You go first. Or should we do it at the same time?
Yeah.
So they don't mess up. Guys, don't mind the background music. Can you turn it down, Emma?
I can't.
Oh my god. Tell me when to stop, because I can stop anytime.
Tell me when to stop.
No, can you actually tell me when to stop, though, when you're ready?
Okay.
Okay, make this swirl. That's your swirl that you have. Show them.
Wait, okay. Let me do mine again.
Lily, you lost. You only have to do it one time,
It was
too.
because my tablet was about to turn off.
Well,
Guys, we're uploading a video right now.
bubble time.
Wait.
That's not fair, then I have to do mine again.
Okay.
You guys.
Okay, guys, we're doing the thing again because we messed up.
You messed up, not me.
I do mine a special way. Okay, ready?
Okay, go. Okay, show them, show them.
Guys, mine, Jazine's looks like a crescent roll, but mine like has that nice.
Mine has more popping than you. Okay, Bubble, you go first. Wait, let's do it at the same time.
I have like so much stuff in my way, guys. Okay.
Let's try not to mix them, so like, scoot over. Ready? Oh, then you can see mine a lot. Okay, ready? Let's go. Mine's gonna be big. You go first. I'm gonna have to try to beat it. That's just like... Okay, pretty big.
Guys, it goes all the way to like right there.
I'll remember it. Now you can pop it.
No, I'm.
Because mine might mix. You never know how big mine goes.
Oh, that was a good one. I'm trying to get you.
It's fine. Oh my gosh, guys! I think you guys know who the winner is.
Well, that's all for today, guys. It was a short video, but yeah. We love you guys. We love you, bestie fans.
Don't forget to subscribe. Who do you think is the best? I love our slimes. Let me try making the bubbles here. So you try making it with me. You go first. You're the one who put you up there.
That doesn't count. I got my tablet.
Okay, my turn.
I'm putting it over here because mine was close.
You go first.
Put you up there.
That was bad. My turn. I think it's you. Oh, the slime.
You need to be slow. You can't be fast. Jasmine doesn't have patience.
No, this is how I make my bubbles. Wait, let me just... Yours is starting to get kind of stuffed now. Stretch, I'm trying to stretch.
So is yours. Yours is like...
I think you're doing it on purpose. Yours is actually going to stick. At least mine feels soft.
Well, guys, that's all for now. Go
Don't
check out.
forget to subscribe.
We are gonna do a video of us fixing slimes, but if we're not, we're just gonna show you our slimes when we fixed it.
So, we love you. We should do a bubble at the end when we say bye. Wait. We don't love you guys yet. We have to wait.
Yeah, we hate you.
No, oh my gosh. Ready? It doesn't have to be that big. We love you. Oh my gosh, wait, that almost got in my hair. Wait for me. Wait.
Hurry up. Jasmine, hurry. Mine's about to break. Mine's breaking. Jasmine. We love you. Woo!
Bye. Peace. Wait, Lily, no, I was going to do something.